How to recover deleted screen recording videos. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To recover the deleted screen recording videos, firstly you can open up your gallery. In your Android you will have this section of recently deleted. If you have toggled on this feature, you will find the screen recording that has been deleted right here in this section. You can easily recover it up to 30 days. Post 30 days, the videos will be deleted permanently. So go ahead and firstly check out in this section. Next is if you have a backup or set a backup that is either Google Drive or some cloud, you can also check out those sections to find if your recordings have been backed up in the particular drive or any of the cloud files. From there as well, you can easily check it out and you can recover it. If you have not done any of these, then sadly you may not be able to recover the deleted screen recording videos. To prevent that in the future, you can head over and open up your phone settings. Then from here, you can search for any of the backup or safety that is available in your device. Then ensure to back up the media. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.